When it comes to constructing or renovating a building in Indirapuram, it is crucial to hire a professional building surveyor. A building surveyor in Indirapuram plays a significant role in ensuring that all aspects of the construction process comply with the relevant regulations and standards. They are responsible for conducting thorough inspections of the site and providing expert advice and guidance to ensure the project runs smoothly. A building surveyor in Indirapuram has extensive knowledge and experience in the field of construction and design. They are well versed in the local building codes and regulations, ensuring that all necessary permits and approvals are obtained before commencing any work. By working closely with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders, they help to ensure that the design and construction process meets all safety and quality standards. One of the primary responsibilities of a building surveyor in Indirapuram is to conduct regular inspections of the construction site. They assess the progress of the project, check for compliance with building codes, and identify any potential issues or risks. By identifying these issues early on, they can be addressed promptly, preventing any delays or additional costs down the line. Another important role of a building surveyor in Indirapuram is to review and approve construction plans and designs. They carefully analyze architectural drawings, structural plans, and other technical documents to ensure that they meet all necessary requirements. This includes verifying that the design is structurally sound, that appropriate materials are being used, and that accessibility standards are met. By hiring a building surveyor in Indirapuram, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is being guided by an expert who will ensure its success. Hiring a qualified building surveyor is essential while developing or renovating a structure in Indirapuram. In Indirapuram, a building surveyor is crucial to ensure that all phases of the construction process adhere to the necessary laws and norms. To make sure the project is completed successfully, they are in charge of conducting in-depth site inspections and offering professional advice and direction. A building surveyor in Indirapuram has a wealth of expertise and understanding in the building and design industries. Since they are knowledgeable about the local construction laws and rules, they make sure that all the permits and approvals are secured before any work is started. They contribute to ensuring that the design and construction process satisfies all safety and quality standards by collaborating closely with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders. Regular inspections of the construction site are one of a building surveyor's main responsibilities in Indirapuram. They evaluate the project's advancement, verify that it complies with building codes, and pinpoint any prospective problems or concerns. Early detection of these problems allows for rapid resolution, avoiding delays and significant expenses in the future. In Indirapuram, a building surveyor's review and approval of construction designs and plans is another crucial responsibility. To make sure that they adhere to all relevant specifications, they thoroughly examine architectural blueprints, structural